So if you're seeing this, this message is meant for you. You have 10 of Swords in reverse and 8 of Cups in reverse. So you have drawn two powerful and deeply connected cards, the 10 of Swords in reverse and the 8 of Cups in reverse, no? So they are crucial message for your situations right now. This is just another reading, but it's a vital piece of guidance for what you are going through right now. So coming here is not an accident. You might want to take this guidance, but always remember you have your own free will. So as you could see here, parang you might be struggling to let go of a situations, or let's say a relationship or a job or a way of life that has clearly reached its conclusions. So despite the pain, you are on the path to recovery. You've endured the worst and are beginning to pick yourself back, no? And you've been spared a complete catastrophe where everything fell apart, but you are not yet in the state of complete peace. And you also have here the 8 of Cups. This is stagnations and fear, no? You are walking away from unfulfilling situations to seek more meaningful path if it is upright, but we get this reverse. So it's an ability to do so, no? Like clinging to the past, you are holding into a situations, or let's say a relationship that no longer serves you, no? Driven by anxiety and fear of the unknown. So you have also here the stagnations, no? You are caught in the state of emotional or spiritual standstill, unable to make the necessary changes to move forward. So this is also lack of closure. You may be suffering in a state of uncertainty, unable to make clean, no? So as you could see, the guidance here with this based on this two message here is to free yourself, no? It's time to take back control of your life, and you are at the end at the very difficult, painful situations, but you are refusing to fully walk away and accept the ending. So acknowledge the pain and confront your fear and take step, no? Embrace a new beginning, and you can fully embrace them, the new beginning that are waiting for you here, because you have already ending and you have experienced the hardship already, no? So the 10 of Swords confirms that you have experienced great hardship, so don't minimize the pain to pretend it didn't happen. Acknowledge this chapter is over, okay? And it's not the past that's holding you back, but the uncertainty of the future. Ask yourself what you are truly afraid of losing by moving on. If you want more of this,